capacity of this boat is 10 passengers plus one and two guide. We are on water line. Please behave on the boat. Read your camera. And careful of the things. Might fall down in the water. It's useless. Good morning to everyone. It's me, your tour guide interpreter on the boat called me, Lady Mangrove, pioneer of this organization. Hello.
Hello.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Yes.
Buhay.
Mana diba, the name is at the same time, we give the true information about the benefits come from the special tree in the Philippines. We call them mangrove or bakawan. Here they are. Look at your leaf on right side. These are bakawan. The Filipino name of them. Mangrove in English. Special tree in the Philippines, mostly growing on a river bank with a brackish water.
Good morning, everyone. Morning.
Anyway, ready your camera because we have a snake on our way.
Oh.
The color is black and yellow.
Oh my God.
Yeah. This behave on the boat.
Don't touch the water.
It is clinging on the tree. The color is black and yellow, crosswise. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the small one?
Yeah, this one here. Yeah, upstairs.
Oh, please, be silent, please.
Hi, snake.
No worry, that is snake, although it is poisonous, binturan the Filipino name. No moving during the day. We call it nocturnal. All animals that are nocturnal, they are sleeping during the day. No area. A local Viagra in Palawan. That is aphrodisiac. Anti-aging food also. So they will stay there inside the Rattanwood mangrove, the tiny food there. So the Rattanwood. Doon ang tirahan nila. Yan, sa butas-butas na yun. Maybe if you want to see and if you want to taste it after the tour, there is somebody selling tamilok outside near to our fruit chick stand. Then, to the restaurant that you will eat your lunch, there are people who will serve tamilok. That is local Viagra in Palawan. Aphrodisiac. Anti-aging food also. I eat tamilok sometimes.
I need a lot of time.
Yeah, not fluently because it's already salty. Yeah. So you cannot continue our trip there because there was a huge tree fall down the back there. They are also bearing their flowers, so we have no sample of fruit of them. That is a girl mangrove or female mangrove, Rhizophora macronata. The scientist is the human being. For monkeys only, we are not monkeys, so we cannot eat the fruit. For planting only. How could the mangrove trees multiply themselves? Through the fruit. Around 1/3 of mango trees fall down during the time. So others not yet recovered. Maybe actually the word mataba here, fat. Malusog. Healthy. Kung matanda, mature. Yeah, one of the biggest crocodiles. It was recorded in Book of Genesis. We are payment because we maintain the area. The truth, we are sharing our effort together to protect our mother nature. Through your payment, as a guest, you help us. Thank you so much, my dear guest. This is the end of our information. And according to the health expertise, mango tree is the best absorber of pollution on the wind. It is good to the people of your heart failure and asthma. Thank you so much. The last is a song. Would you like to listen my song? Yes. Yeah. The title is Tamilok. Filipino version only. Anyway, you can see mangrove tour to the YouTube. Translation of the song. Pakinggan namin tayo ng awit, huwag ang busis ng mga awit. Tamilok ang pamagat. Halinaw hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilayan na ibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka patungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlog ang isda, una ng pagkain. Wag itong putulin, bagkun ay mahalin, isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Amilok na masarap, oy! Ipon na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa, at lukal na biyak, ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Everybody yun! Tamilok na masarap, ipon na mailap, talabang malasa, at lukan na biyag, ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Maraming salamat kaibigan, kayo ay laging welcome sa bakawan. Susunod na taon babalik naman, kami ay laging naghihintay. Thank you my friend. You are always welcome in Mangrove again. Next year you will become back again. We are waiting for you all the time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You're the best. Thank you.
Wave your hands like a politician.
Thank you.
Para tayo mga politiko.